new real tree box, son.
I seen that. That looked like one of them little surprise boxes.
Straight old school, boy. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at Joey.
Like they've been washed.
Joey, come over to camera. What else you got in there?
Got a medium in there.
A medium.
Chris's box, he missed out. Here we go.
All right.
Alabama, Tennessee.
Strawberries and cream.
For breakfast,
Shut
huh?
your mouth, son.
Stay with Big Blue.
Birthday bird day.
Yeah, you're gonna still in the truck unless you took them out.
Oh, we're good to go then.
Keith's birthday bird.
Yeah.
2 of them come in, I'm gonna participate in his birthday party.
Hey, that's right. Right up over that hill right there.
I don't think it's far. So we kind of drove up over a hill, saw a couple longbeards. Well, saw one. One longbeard for sure, and there was another turkey kind of off the timber or right on the timber. But Jonathan,
There was a hen. She was going that way, so.
Hey,
What do you think? You think it's right up over there, don't you?
how far?
I deer hunt this, and from where we saw it coming in, it's probably 150.
I would like to get up there, but it just dropped straight over.
I don't think you can
we can get
crest
up there.
No.
No. Okay. That's not gonna
We
happen.
gonna set up right down here.
I do. If we
I
set up
think
here,
that gives him a little bit of room to come over the hill.
you can drop down.
All right, I'm good with that.
I'll just tuck off to the side, me and you and him, and then if he starts hanging up on the backside, you strike out.
All right.
I guess that one's
I'm
probably
gonna set
biggest
up
one.
right there by that tree.
I'll just tuck off the side. If it ends up being 2, I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna set off to the side.
No. I can hear him walking though. I can hear him walking. Yeah. He's right in front of me. Right here on my gun barrel, Joey. Which one? There's 2 of them. Okay. That one. I hope that's the one you was on. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Got it. Hey, happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It's been a minute since we've done it on my birthday.
I just sat back and watched his birthday boy.
That's right.
They came out over here,
Really?
and I could see, and he'd lay it down.
Huh.
And that's when you started calling, and he, I was like, God, I'd have scared he was supposed to go to the right. And so I just started purring or whatever, and then you started yelping, he gobbled, and then he turned coming up. I was like, dang, it's 2 of them.
Yeah.
And I heard, dum, dum, And then when they got up here, I'm like, somebody pulled the trigger.
I mean, we was.
There was 2 of them.
Huh?
Oh yeah. Yep. Thank you, Jonathan. Appreciate it. Hey, the last one I killed with you was right over the hill, right there in that little blacktop driveway. Well,
Well, got close early this morning.
go. That's an old good one.
He was here last year.
He was here last year. He looks heavy. Is it?
He is with my foot on it. Yeah, that's a good turkey. Got some good old spurs on him, Joey.
Mm-hmm.
April 17th, birthday bird.
Yep. Oh,
Congrats,
50,
dude.
51 one. Big old beard on him.
There's a lot of turkeys that wish you wouldn't have been born.
There's been a bunch of them on my birthday. That's my goal pretty much every year, to try to kill one on my birthday. But the last several years we ain't been anywhere on my birthday, so.
Which we got this rain coming in too, so.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you, like, as
Whew.
far, I know you were worried about it being too late, but everything we've been on is acting right.
Oh, yeah.
Now, they ain't finishing, like
Yeah.
just running in, but I mean,
That
I
sucker
mean-
got hot. I couldn't
Oh,
tell,
yeah.
but I thought he triple gobbled.
Oh yeah, he did.
well, we
He
pulled
did.
up right out here, and then I just saw a red head stood up.
Oh, we
We
saw a
backed out.
hen. She was going that way
Yeah.
down through the sheep pen.
And I'm telling you, we backed out perfect, dropped over the hill, and I mean, second yelp.
Yep. Hey, ain't nothing like it, fellas. North Alabama.
Looking at the truck,
My man Jonathan
We-
done.
a little tough. That was a little tough getting there.
Yeah.
My man Jonathan done put us on one. Anybody looking for some real estate up in Alabama? He's your man right there.
I can hook you up.
Hey, that's what's done changed now since the last time we were here. Now
I'm part of the team.
you
man.
part
That's
of the
right.
team now.
That's right.
North Alabama, Smalltown Properties, John Watts. Happy birthday, man.
In the
Yeah,
timber.
in the timber.
Kinda.
I mean, beautiful timber. I mean, the manicured timber.
You don't look no older from 50 to 51.
I don't feel no older. I feel just bad today as I did yesterday.
We're still trying to get it to grow it all the way out. It's just bushy right now. We're
Yeah.
trying to do small town Santa. And
I will, if y'all want me to, I'll grow it out. I'm gonna shave my head though. I'm gonna shave my head and grow my beard out.
Turkey seminar or come sit on Santa's lap.
It don't matter, whichever. Whichever. Yep, appreciate it.
Hunt information provided by Southern Ag Credit, the premier lender for all your land financing needs.